done your painting. It's done, so I'm gonna show it to you. Hold on. Okay, I hope you're ready for this. Here it is. Sky's purple, you got a moon, buildings with newspaper, plus they're glittery. There we go. Glitter. Yeah. Here's you, your red hair and a little crown. And there's your face. And your eyes are brown, right? Your little green dress, it's got polka dots, but you can't see it because the camera's, there we go. Polka dots, okay. Your pink legs. Here's your road, okay. Grass. Yeah. If your eyes aren't brown, let me know. I'll fix it. Really, not much else to tell you about in this picture, except that if you don't like part of it, let me know. I'll try to work it out before the intensive, so I'm gonna bring it to the intensive so you can have it. I guess that's all. Yeah, that's all. Let me know if there's any problems. Adios.